Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a concept that's been whispered about for centuries, explored in ancient texts, and felt in the hearts of countless individuals. We're talking about chosen ones. But forget everything you think you know, because we're uncovering the truth no one really tells you. This isn't about magical powers or destiny handed down from above in some grand, fantastical way. It's about a very real, very human experience that many of you might resonate with, perhaps without even realizing it. So, grab a comfy seat, open your mind, and let us explore what it truly means to be a chosen one in today's world. You see, the idea of a chosen one often conjures images of heroes from epic tales, people destined to save the world, wield ancient artifacts, or fulfill a prophecy. And while those stories are certainly captivating, they often miss the nuanced, profound reality of what it means to feel chosen. For many, this feeling isn't about a pre-written fate, but rather an innate sense of purpose, a deep knowing that you're meant for something more, something significant. It's a powerful inner compass that guides your decisions, often leading you down paths less traveled, paths that challenge you, but ultimately fulfill you. Let's break down some of the lesser-known truths about this feeling. First, it's not always glamorous. In fact, feeling chosen often comes with a unique set of challenges. Think about it. If you feel called to do something great, you'll likely face more resistance, more obstacles, and more doubt both from yourself and others. This isn't a sign you're on the wrong track. It's often a hallmark of significant undertakings. The path of a chosen one is rarely smooth. It's filled with trials designed to strengthen your resolve, refine your skills, and solidify your purpose. These aren't punishments. They're growth opportunities, shaping you into the person capable of fulfilling your unique potential. Another crucial truth is that being chosen doesn't mean you're better than anyone else. It simply means you have a specific path, a unique contribution to make. Every single person on this planet has value, has gifts, and has a purpose. The difference for someone who feels chosen is often the intensity of that inner calling, the undeniable pull towards a particular direction or mission. It's not about ego, it's about responsibility. It's a deep-seated desire to contribute positively to the world, to make a difference in your own unique way. This responsibility can feel heavy at times, but it's also incredibly motivating. So, how do you know if you might be one of these chosen ones in the everyday sense? Well, there are a few common indicators. Do you often feel like an outsider, even when you're surrounded by people? Do you have an insatiable curiosity and a constant hunger for knowledge and understanding, often seeking truths beyond the surface? Do you possess a strong sense of empathy, feeling others' joys and pains deeply? Do you find yourself questioning norms, traditions, and systems, always looking for a better way? And perhaps most importantly, do you have an unwavering inner conviction that you're here to do something important, even if you can't quite articulate what it is yet? If these resonate with you, you're not alone. Many people experience these feelings, and they are often the signs of a soul ready to embark on a significant journey of purpose. But here's the most empowering truth of all. You don't wait to be chosen. You choose yourself. The concept of being chosen isn't about external validation or a divine decree that makes you special above others. It's about recognizing the unique spark within you, owning your gifts, and stepping up to the plate. It's about actively pursuing that inner calling, even when it's scary or unfamiliar. It's about making the conscious decision to live a life of purpose, to utilize your talents for the greater good, and to trust that inner voice that tells you you're capable of great things. You are the one who gives meaning to your own journey. This self-selection is a continuous process. It's about daily choices, choosing courage over fear, authenticity over conformity, and growth over stagnation. It's about dedicating yourself to self-improvement, learning from every experience, and consistently aligning your actions with your deepest values. When you choose yourself, you empower yourself, you unleash your potential. You become the protagonist of your own life story, not just a passive character waiting for instructions. Another perspective is that this feeling of being chosen is less about a static identity and more about a dynamic state of being. It's about being present, open, and responsive to the opportunities and challenges that life presents. When you operate from a place of deep purpose and intentionality, you naturally attract the experiences, people, and resources that help you fulfill that purpose. It's a powerful co-creative process with the universe itself. You don't have to search for your purpose. You reveal it through your actions and your commitment. So, what does this mean for you, right now? If you've been feeling that nudge, that inkling that there's something more for you, don't ignore it. Start by listening to your intuition. What truly lights you up? What problems do you feel compelled to solve? What kind of impact do you dream of making? Don't worry if the answers aren't crystal clear yet. The journey of a chosen one is often about uncovering your path one step at a time. Trust the process. Embrace the challenges. View them as essential parts of your growth, not roadblocks. Seek out mentors and communities that support your unique journey. And most importantly, remember that your uniqueness is your superpower. Don't try to fit into molds that don't serve your authentic self. The world needs your specific gifts, your specific perspective, and your specific light. Ultimately, The truth about chosen ones is that we all have the potential to be one. It's not about being selected by some external force, but about making the conscious, courageous choice to live a life of meaning, impact, and authenticity. It's about answering the call of your own heart and stepping into the powerful, purposeful individual you were always meant to be. This is your life, your story, and you have the power to make it extraordinary. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive today. I hope this perspective has resonated with you and perhaps even sparked some new insights into your own journey. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more uplifting and thought-provoking content. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Do you resonate with this idea of being a chosen one? What does it mean to you? Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep shining bright.